Are you an architect or engineer still relying on AutoCAD for your designs? Do you feel your workflow is too slow and wish you could speed it up with smarter tools? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to the complete YQArch in AutoCAD tutorial series, where I'll guide you step by step from beginner to pro, helping you design faster, smarter, and better. First, let's talk about what the YQArch plugin is. YQArch is a third-party add-on for AutoCAD that's built to speed up architectural and engineering design projects. It enhances your workflow by offering specialized tools for drawing walls, doors, and windows, as well as placing furniture and other elements. With these smart features, YQArch can make your project design process up to 10 times faster. In this course, I'll cover each tool inside YQArch one by one, starting from the introduction to the course in this specific video, followed by the download and installation tutorial. Here's what you can expect. By the end of this course, you'll be able to design a full architectural project inside AutoCAD using YQArch with speed and precision. So, if you're ready to take your AutoCAD skills to the next level, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any part of this complete tutorial series. In the next video, we'll cover the download and installation process in detail. Thanks for watching.